Integrating Uniswap on the front end allows users to interact with the Uniswap protocol directly from your application. To start, you need to have a basic understanding of Ethereum, smart contracts, and JavaScript. First, set up a new React project and install the required dependencies, including Web3, Ethers, and the Uniswap SDK. The Uniswap SDK provides a simple interface to interact with the Uniswap protocol, making it easier to fetch prices, get liquidity, and execute trades. Next, create a function to connect to the Ethereum network using the Web3 or Ethers library. This function should prompt the user to connect their wallet, such as MetaMask, and then set up a Web3 provider to interact with the Ethereum blockchain. After setting up the Web3 provider, use the Uniswap SDK to fetch the prices of the tokens you want to trade. You can use the getPair function from the Uniswap SDK to get the price of a specific token pair. Then, create a function to execute a trade. This function should use the Uniswap SDK to get the best price for the trade and then execute the trade using the Web3 provider. Make sure to handle any errors that may occur during the trade execution. To display the available liquidity for a specific token pair, use the getLiquidity function from the Uniswap SDK. This function returns the available liquidity for the token pair, which you can then display to the user. When integrating Uniswap on the front end, make sure to follow best practices, such as handling errors and exceptions properly, and providing a good user experience. Also, keep in mind that the Uniswap protocol is constantly evolving, so make sure to stay up to date with the latest changes and updates. By following these steps, you can successfully integrate Uniswap on the front end and provide a seamless trading experience for your users. Remember to test your integration thoroughly to ensure it is working as expected and provide a good user experience.